So this is my KitchenAid refrigerator. I've been battling it for over a year, and there's an issue where the temperature in the refrigerator section goes up. I removed this cover just now for the purpose of the video so I can show you what the problem is. And bear with me on the terminology. It's been a while and I know I'm not going to call things properly, but as you can see, the temperature is elevated, and this is the model. Let's zoom in here. And here's the issue actually. As you can see, the fan over here is working. There's an ice buildup in this little hole that allows the air to circulate. There's really no ice down here. There's no ice buildup here. I checked the continuity on this device here that is supposed to defrost it. I replaced the thermistor and something else, the little guy, yeah, this guy here as well, and this guy. So I replaced both of those. And I have no idea what's causing this to happen, so if you have some ideas, let me know. Oh, I also replaced the main board on top. It used to require a monthly defrost. Now with me replacing the main board, it requires it every 2 to 3 months. So there's a bit of an improvement, but I still need to defrost the little piece over there. Thank you.